Welcome to Black-Eyed Susan, the cheerful star of Wildflower Gardens. In this episode, we'll immerse ourselves in the vibrant world of the Black-Eyed Susan. Rudbeckia hirta, commonly known as Black-Eyed Susan, is a bright and cheerful wildflower that brings a burst of sunshine to gardens and meadows. Black-Eyed Susan, with its golden petals and dark, captivating center, is a symbol of summer and joy. It's a staple in wildflower gardens across North America, and its popularity extends to various parts of the world. A colorful presence. One of the most distinctive features of Black-Eyed Susan is its brilliant yellow petals surrounding a prominent dark brown or black center. This striking contrast gives the flower its memorable name and a unique appearance that instantly brightens any landscape. A versatile wildflower. Black-Eyed Susan is a versatile wildflower, capable of thriving in a variety of settings. Whether you have a sunny garden or a meadow with partial shade, these resilient flowers can adapt and flourish. A favorite among pollinators. Gardeners love Black-Eyed Susan not only for its stunning appearance but also for its ability to attract pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds are drawn to its nectar-rich blooms, making it an essential addition to wildlife-friendly gardens. Low-maintenance beauty. One of the greatest appeals of Black-Eyed Susan is its low-maintenance nature. Once established, it can thrive with minimal care, making it an ideal choice for both experienced gardeners and beginners. A long blooming season. Black-Eyed Susan doesn't just make a brief appearance in your garden. Its blooming season stretches from mid-summer to early fall, ensuring a steady stream of color and life throughout the warm months. Historical significance. Beyond its garden charm, Black-Eyed Susan holds historical significance. It has been used in Native American medicine and played a role in folklore and storytelling. Here are 10 captivating facts about Black-Eyed Susan. Black-Eyed Susan is part of the sunflower family, Asteraceae, and is closely related to the daisy. Its scientific name, Rudbeckia hirta, pays homage to two Swedish botanists, Olaus and Olof Rudbeck. These vibrant flowers can reach heights of 2 to 3 feet, creating eye-catching displays in gardens and meadows. Black-Eyed Susan's cheerful appearance has earned it the nickname, Gloriosa Daisy. In the language of flowers, Black-Eyed Susan symbolizes encouragement and motivation. It is native to eastern and central North America. Black-Eyed Susan is the state flower of Maryland. The dark central disc is not a flower but a collection of tiny, fertile florets. In Native American medicine, this plant has been used to treat various ailments, including snake bites and colds. The flower's name is linked to an Old English ballad that tells the story of a young man who asks a series of impossible tasks of his sweetheart. The tasks are symbolized by different flowers, and the Black-Eyed Susan represents a symbol of faithfulness. A garden delight. Black-Eyed Susan's cheerful presence in gardens and meadows is a testament to its enduring popularity. Its bright blooms and easygoing nature make it a beloved choice for those seeking to infuse their outdoor spaces with warmth and color. And with that, our journey through Black-Eyed Susan, the cheerful star of Wildflower Gardens, comes to an end. We hope you've been inspired by the radiant beauty and historical significance of this charming wildflower.